Okay, a few tips on how to cross a river if you have to. Obviously you should try and avoid it, but if you're in the middle of nowhere and you really have to cross this river, you should be looking for a shallow section with shingle on the ground to try and go across that way, just wade across. If you have to swim, you should be looking to land on an edge a bit like that, where it's level to the water so you can easily get out, because you're going to be tired when you go across. If it's a high bank, you might struggle to actually get out of the water. When crossing the river, you should start higher up the river, so the current will help take you down to a point. It'll help you so you won't be swimming against it. But even a strong swimmer should use a flotation aid, because it'll save you energy when you're going across and it'll give you some support. If you come through weeds, you should try and do a crawl stroke to cut through them, to power your way through. You should avoid, when you coming across the river, to land in amongst branches like that, or on the other side over there. They're going to be, you're going to might struggle to get out, especially if it's worse than that and the vegetation's even thicker. But obviously it's going to be a lot easier to get out if it's just like that. The current is going to be stronger on the outside of bends. And once the swimmer's gone across safely, other swimmers on the bank should try and follow the route that they've taken. And of course you shouldn't wear your clothes either, because you're going to need something dry on the other side. You want to get dried off and put the clothes on. And of course, wearing clothes, once they're wet, they're going to be a lot heavier, and it's going to be a lot more effort to get across. So you should really get down to your kicks, your unders or whatever, and swim over. It's going to be cold, but it'll definitely be better on the other side. So that is a few little tips on how to cross a river. But again, you should never try and cross one really. This is only if you were really desperate and you had to cross one.